Today in our 2008 Volkswagen Jetta, we'll be looking at our best hitch options. On the top, we have a Curt Class 1, part number C11072. And on the bottom, we have a Drawtite Class 1, part number 24866. Now the main difference between our two hitches here today is the construction. Our Curt Hitch has a round tubular construction, which is more aesthetically pleasing in my mind, whereas our Drawtite is a rectangular construction. And then there's our safety chain attachment points. On our Curt Hitch, it's an angular steel plate welded to the bottom of the hitch, whereas on our Drawtite, they're a tubular design welded on the bottom of the receiver here. The Drawtite's a little bit more usable in the regards that you can go all the way around to hook on your safety chains, whereas the Curt, you can really only do it from the front right here. Now our Curt Hitch, to go along with the round tubular look to give it a nice aesthetic appearance, we have this nice collar on the end of the Class 1.25" opening to give it a more refined look. Now our Draw-Tite Hitch does not have a collar, it's just an open receiver right at the end of it. Now one benefit the Draw-Tite Hitch has over the Curt is if we're using the Draw-Tite for a non-trailer application, it does not require the use of a support strap, whereas the Curt does. And by non-trailer application, we mean such as a bike rack or a cargo carrier. As far as weight capacity goes, our hitches are both equal in that regards. They both have a 200-pound tongue weight rating and a 2,000-pound max gross trailer weight rating. As far as clearance goes, both of our hitches are about equal in that regards. They'll both be about 6 inches from the center of our hitch pin hole here to the rearmost part of the back bumper, and about 10 inches from the ground to the top of the receiver opening. Now one final subtle difference that we have between our Curt and our Draw-Tite Hitch is that our Curt Hitch has a more of a high gloss powder coat finish, so it gives it a very refined look, whereas our Draw-Tite is more of a matte finish, so it's more basic. Now to give you a quick summary of our two hitches here today, they both have the same weight capacity, so they're both equal in that regards. They both have about the same clearance, so they're both equal there. As far as towing goes, I would give a slight edge to the Draw-Tite Hitch just because the safety chain loops are a little bit easier to use all around the entire circumference of them. As far as recreational use goes, I would go back to the Draw-Tite Hitch just because of the fact that you don't need to use a stabilization strap for a non-trailer application for your bike rack or your cargo carrier. That completes our look at the best hitch options for the Volkswagen Jetta.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.